Hello friends, welcome to the lecture on depth area duration relationships. In this video lecture, we are going to study how typical DAD curves are plotted, what is the relationship between depth, area and duration of storms. So let us start. The areal distribution characteristics of a storm of a given duration is reflected in its depth area relationship. A few aspects of the interdependency of depth, area and duration of storms are discussed below. Depth area relation. For a rainfall of a given duration, the average depth decreases with the area in an exponential fashion given by P bar is equal to P0 exponential into bracket minus K A raised to N. So it is the statement suggests that for a rainfall of a given duration, the average depth decreases with the area in an exponential way. Means what? Depth of the rainfall decreases with increase in the area, which obeys this particular equation where P bar is equal to average depth in centimeter over an area a kilometer square. P0 is equal to highest amount of rainfall in centimeter at the storm center, and K and N are constants for a given region. On the basis of 42 severe storms in North India, Dhar and Bhattacharya have obtained the following values of K and N for storms of different duration. As you can see in the table, for duration of 1 day, 2 day and 3 day, values of K and N are given. Since it is very unlikely that the storm center coincides over a rain gauge station, the exact determination of P0 is not possible. Hence, in the analysis of large area storms, the highest station rainfall is taken as the average depth over an area of 25 km square. In many hydrological studies involving estimation of severe floods, it is necessary to have information of the maximum amount of rainfall of various duration occurring over various sizes of areas. The development of relationship between maximum depth, area, duration for a region is known as DAD analysis and forms an important aspect of hydrometeorological study. A brief description of the analysis is given below. First, the severest rainstorms that have occurred in the region under question are considered. Isohydral maps and mass curves of the storms are compiled. A depth area curve of a given duration of the storm is prepared. Then, from a study of the mass curve of rainfall, various durations and maximum depth of rainfall in these durations are noted. The maximum depth area curve for a given duration capital D is prepared by assuming the area distribution of rainfall for smaller duration to be similar to the total storm. The procedure is then repeated for different storms and the envelope curve of maximum depth area for duration capital D is obtained. A similar procedure for various values of capital D results in the family of envelope curves of maximum depth versus area with duration as third parameter. Refer figure which is in the next slide. These curves are called DAD curves. So this figure shows typical DAD curves. Let us understand the meaning of everything in this particular DAD curves. As you can see on the x-axis, it is area in kilometer square, which is plotted on a logarithmic scale, and on y-axis there is maximum average depth of the rainfall in centimeters. Here you can see Every line represents an individual DAD curve. This is an envelope of all different DAD curves for rainfall duration of 1 hour, 6 hour, 12 hour, 18 hour. Here maximum rainfall it is considered. So for 1 hour duration, if you can see, the maximum average depth lies around 9 centimeter. As and when the area increases, the depth of the maximum rainfall it also decreases inversely. They are inversely proportional to each other as discussed earlier. As the duration of rainfall increases, like in 18 hours, the depth of maximum average depth of rainfall also increases. Above figure shows typical GAD curves for a catchment. In this, the average depth denotes the depth averaged over the area under consideration. It may be seen that the maximum depth of the given storm decreases with the area. For a given area, maximum depth increases with the duration. Already we have seen. Preparation of DAD curves involves considerable computational efforts and requires meteorological and topographical information of the region. Detailed data on severest storms in the past are needed. DAD curves are essential to develop design storms for use in computing design flood in the hydrological design of major structures such as dams. So I hope this information will help you to understand DAD curves. I request all of you to go through the standard literatures which I have used for the preparation of this content as a references. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me on my email address dnpaitankarce@sanjeevani.org.in. Thank you for listening. Happy learning.